Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to review the new JDL Turbo Kit with the UEL Manifold. We're going to be doing an install on a 2013 BRZ over the next day or so, so we'll give you guys some feedback, watch our social media, all that stuff. We're going to get this video up on YouTube as quick as possible so you guys can see this. On this particular install, we're using the JDL overpipe front pipe combo. This is a V-band connection. Gives you lots of flexibility to get the correct angles and everything proper on it. This overpipe front pipe combo comes with, this one has a resonator as well as a cat on it. You can get it resonated, catted, straight design, 2.5 and 3-inch. So let's get this out of the way and let's talk about the kit. Alright, as most of you guys know and you guys have been seeing on social media, the biggest thing about this kit is the UEL Manifold. This thing weighs in at 21.4 pounds, which is the exact same weight as the stock manifold. It's very robust to support the weight. It's about 8 pounds heavier than the standard JDL UEL header. It's going to come with the kit comes with a precision wastegate and a dump tube. You will need to cut a hole in your pan to get this to go. This is going to mount like this. Next thing is the down pipe. This will be up on our website. We'll update it shortly. The thing with this is going to be available with a 2.5 or 3-inch collector, so there's options on this. Since this is handmade in the US and Arizona at JDL, you have some options and some flexibility with the kit. The other thing you're noticing is these are coated black. This is considered the hot side of the kit. So this can get coated in a titanium, a bronze, a black, or you can request a custom color for additional fee, I believe. Let's talk about this oil pan. This is a stock pan. It's going to come with the kit. What Jesse does is he welds on a AN fitting and then recoats the whole pan when he gets this stuff coated. So it's nice quality, the paint's not going to flake off and things like that. And this is going to be your oil return line back into the pan off the turbo. Let's go on to this. This is going to be your oil feed. This is going to go into the turbo. This is going to go into the block next to the throttle body. There's a plug there that you're going to take off and you're going to replace it with this that has been machined for this kit. So this will go in, this will feed the turbo oil. These are the water lines for the turbo kit. On this particular kit that we're doing, we're using the Garrett turbo. So oil cooled and water cooled. This isn't clocked either, but I did want to mention this. Part of the coating process, which is optional, you can get it non-coated if you want to, but this is getting coated as well as the other stuff. This is all considered the hot side. All these components here, here, and the manifold itself. The cold side can also be coated. It can be coated a different color, or it can be left in the standard shiny aluminum, I guess you'd call it. These are the other parts for it. We have another kit that we're doing next week that's going to have a chrome intercooler, so you can see it through the grill better. And we're going to coat these black for him as well. And he's going to get all the other pieces done in titanium. The kit's also going to come with a Turbo Smart blow-off valve. This is going to come off the side of the turbo. The quality of everything on this kit is primo, top notch. The silicone is really good, flexible, durable, multi-ply. It's not hard and rigid like some of the silicone you see. Everything is T-bolt clamps. The gaskets for the flanges on the turbo are perfect, nice. These are the water feed lines that are going to go onto the turbo side. Go here. This is the, what is this one? This is the on the other side of the turbo, and this isn't clocked or anything yet. This is the oil dump return down here. There you go. So if you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. Again, this is just a quick tutorial, quick overview of this kit. We didn't talk about the intake. We'll show you kit pictures. It'll be up on our website. Try to get a blog post done on this soon too. This kit is going to be non-E85, 91, standard, what we call kind of a standard install. No pump, no injectors, because it's not using flex fuel. So this will moderately come in at, in Vegas here, 265, 275 horsepower. I think that's about it. And then check out the intercooler. So this is coated with the JDL logo on it also. So far, everything, the kit looks really complete. You don't have to go buy any extra parts. We'll update you on that and go from there. Thanks.